Hi everybody, my name is Sarah Dosher. I'm going to talk about blood spatter analysis today. First off, the medical definition of a blood pattern analysis is the assessment of the diameter and shape of bloodstains, which reflect the origin and trajectory of external blood flow in the context of homicide or violent death. Bloodstains in a crime scene provides important clues as to the victim's movements at the time of an assault and the movement of the person's body afterwards. What do? They assist in the reconstruction of those events of an alleged incident that could have created the stains and stain patterns present at a crime scene. Blood spatter versus blood transfer. Blood spatters are created when blood is acted upon by force and travels through the air before landing on a targeted surface, such as a gunshot wound or a knife wound or something similar to that. Blood transfers occur when blood sources come in direct contact with a target surface, so hands, dragging marks, insects, stuff like that. Secondhand contact. Types of blood patterns. There's quite a few. You got passive blood patterns. It's in the form of a pool or a drip drop or a volume, typically in circles like that. Projected blood is the instrumental expirated arterial spurts or gushes of blood. Impact blood is blood splashes, object splashes, trails. It's also known as a drip pattern. Then you have impression blood. It's coming in contact with blood and transferring it from one place to another. Then you got artifactual blood. It's secondary blood from insects or bugs, or dried or separated blood. Back spatter is directed back at the source of the energy, so like a gunshot. Cast off blood patterns produce when blood is released or thrown in motion from an object or carrying blood, so like a knife, dripping blood from a knife or a baseball bat or something like that. Then you got expirated blood. It's from the nose or the mouth, or some kind of wound, causing pressure, and it comes out. Now we're going to talk about the velocity of blood. So you got low velocity blood. It's the gravitational pull that's up to 5 feet per second, and it's normally pretty big drops of blood. You got medium velocity blood, which is 5 to 25 feet per second. They're about medium-sized blood spatters. And then you got high velocity. It's a velocity of 100 feet per second or greater. They're very, very small blood drops. And the different reasons for different blood patterns is the type of weapon used, the force of impact, the site of injury, position of the victim, the angle of impact, the surface of blood, the amount of blood, the climactic conditions, how long it takes to dry, the clotting time, and so many more. Now, the point of origin is the common point in a three-dimensional space to which the trajectories of several blood drops can be retraced. So like in CSI movies where you see the point of origin in the center of a room and they have string attached to it to find the original spot of where the person was when they were attacked. And that is all for today. Thank you.